Okay. New day, new equation. 3k squared plus k equals 6. Ha! This time, we don't have our terms on the left side. So that's the first thing we're going to want to do. 3k plus k, I'm going to subtract 6 on each side. And there we go. Now we have 0 on the right side. And we'll have to use the quadratic equation for this one. K equals minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. My girlfriend was telling me she actually has a song to remember this equation, so maybe that can help you. I don't have any suggestion of a song, but just pick your favorite song and try to make the lyrics fit this equation here. And that's just a little trick to help you